Today we're going to play and have some fun. I've got this basketball, this tennis ball, and a leaf because I couldn't find a feather. So there's no need for any safety wear for this experiment. If I drop these two balls, what should you think will hit the ground first? Maybe. But what about the leaf? What will happen? And what does this have to do with science or God? Let's find out. So you would think that since the basketball weighs more, that the gravity would pull down on it harder and the basketball would fall first. And technically you're right. But what you're missing is inertia. Inertia is the tendency to do nothing. An object in motion will stay in motion, and an object at rest will stay at rest unless a force acts upon it. You know who said that? Isaac Newton. These two balls are at rest, and they're trying to stay at rest. And gravity is the force that's acting upon it and trying to pull it down. So as gravity is pulling harder on the basketball because of its weight, the basketball also has a higher inertia, meaning it's a lot harder to get moving. Try moving a wagon. It's pretty easy. Now try moving a car. It's a lot harder to move because of its weight. So, now that we have this scientific explanation, what does this have to do with God? Well, God is like the gravity. He's trying to pull you towards Him to keep you safe and grounded. Okay, now that you've seen the two balls drop at the same time, what about the leaf? Do you think it'll fall at the same speed, faster, or slower? Well, let's find out. As you can see, the basketball did drop faster. What about the tennis ball? Let's find out. The tennis ball dropped faster too. But why so? The two balls dropped at the same time because of inertia. But what happened with the leaf? Well, there's something called air resistance. It didn't bother the balls because they're rounded and they're quite heavy. But the leaf, since it's flat and lightweight, the air resists its flow towards the ground. So, as inertia is trying to keep it at rest and gravity is trying to pull it down, air is resisting its movement. So, what does this have to do with God? Well, let's say that the air resistance is all the bad and evil in the world. And as God is trying to pull you towards Him and keep you safe, the evil in the world, or the air resistance, is keeping you away from that. So, let God pull you in and keep safe, and until next time,